Welcome to this quick video on putting on some Barkbusters. I purchased some Barkbusters for a couple of reasons. The main two reasons is to protect my hands and also my levers. With the adventure riding, you're probably at some stage, if you're out on trails, you're going to either drop the bike or maybe come off or get too close to a tree. So the main two reasons I bought them was if I get too close to a tree is to protect my hands, and the second reason of course is if you drop the bike it's going to protect your hands and levers and so on. So I just bought the Barkbusters. I also bought the handguard, wind deflector, and what else did I get? Oh, a skid plate as well. The interesting thing with the Barkbusters, which I didn't realise, is that you actually have to raise the handlebars. So where you attach them on the handlebars, the actual Barkbuster themselves, it doesn't hit the tank or your fairing tank. My bike, being F650 GS, the tank's under the seat, but you've still got the fairing, so you don't want to be hitting that. So I didn't realise that when I purchased them. Anyway, they give you some, for the handlebars, they give you some razors that you can put in with the bolts and so on. So I've already fitted these off, but I might just go through them on the bike and show how easy it is. Usually takes it took me about half an hour. So we'll have a look at that now. Alright, so here we are out with the motorbike. First of all, I'd like to say that I actually bought some tools, and I'll just show you those now. I just bought a kit. You can get various kits for different motorbikes, so I've just bought one for mine. The BMW has Torx screws on them, so that comes included in that kit. So first of all, what I was going to say here is, as you can see, the Barkbusters are on, and I'll come around the other side, so you've actually got Barkbuster itself. So this section, you've got the handguard and then the wind deflector, which you can buy separately, and then you've got a skid plate just there. And as you can see here, what's actually they give you is they give you some handlebar razors. If you can see that section in there, there's one each on either side, and they give you those so that when you turn your handlebars, as you can see here, the bracket won't hit your fairing or your tank. Otherwise, if your handlebars are lower, it's actually going to scratch your fairing. So the best bet is to put those in first. They actually go in a certain way. On mine you have to pull out your top plate, take out these 4 screws. They then take your handlebars off, put in your razors. They give you longer bolts. Put the 4 back on and away you go. Now for these, for the Barkbusters, take off your end screw. They actually come with this spacer, and I think I used one of the washers that was already on there. The skid plate has to go on first, so you put that on, screw that off into that section here, then you screw it off here, put this section over here and the clamp on, and then you can just screw off your handguard and your wind detectors. So pretty easy job overall. Took about probably half an hour with the right tools. So that's about it, and that's the end of this video, and see you on the next one.